Alpha Metro. What do you call a baby sparrow? Answer: chick. What do you call a baby duck? Answer: duckling. What do you call a baby goose? Answer: gosling. What do you call a baby peacock? Answer: peachick. What do you call a baby bee? Answer: larva. What do you call a baby butterfly? Answer: caterpillar. What do you call a baby pigeon? Answer: squabs. What do you call a baby parrot? Answer: chick. What do you call a baby eagle? Answer: eaglet. What of these birds' babies is a cygnet? Answer: swan. What do you call a baby sheep? Answer: lamb. What do you call a baby cow? Answer: calf. What do you call a baby bear? What do you call a baby dog? What do you call a baby cat? Answer: kitten. What do you call a baby lion? Answer: cub. What do you call a baby horse? Answer: foal. What do you call a baby elephant? Answer: calf. What do you call a baby tiger? Answer: cub. Which of the animal's babies is a joey? Answer: kangaroo. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Press the bell icon for new video notifications.